Hello my friends, let me show you the best place where you can download and even play directly on your browser all MS-DOS and PC games. The first step of this tutorial is to open your web browser, go into the description down below where I'm going to let you the link to this website right here. Now you want to click where you see software, and here you can see MS-DOS games and classic PC games. Most of the classic PC games are going to be demos, and you're not going to be able to run them directly on your browser. But if you go into MS-DOS games, you're going to have an amazing collection of games right here that you can play them directly from your web browser. Let me show you as an example, Prince of Persia right here. You want to click into the game that you want to play, and here above you want to click into Begin. Now if you want to make it full screen, you want to click right here on these arrows, and you're going to be able to play the old Prince of Persia from MS-DOS directly from your browser without having to download anything. As this don't only work for this game. As you can see right here, let me test a second one. Almost every game of this list is going to work. Let me try, for example, Golden Axe right here. Click again into Begin. Wait until the game metadata and the file systems is going to get downloaded, and then you can set it up into full screen, and your game is going to start. Now you can play all these great MS-DOS games directly from your browser. Thanks for watching my friends, and like always, see you on the next time. Bye bye.